What's going on, pumpkin people? Just got done positioning our pumpkin. I'm a little sweaty. Stick around for the full update. Okay, we have a pretty major update here. Since our last update, started terminating some secondaries in the back. They're about 13 feet long. Got a couple secondaries poking out. We're gonna fill in this area. As you can see, our main vine has been shifted over, making room for that pumpkin. So here's our current scenario. Here's a good look at the overall plant. As you can see, it's not massive, but we had 14 secondaries. We have this successful pollination. It's growing about 4.5 inches in circumference a day. It's 30 inches in circumference. It is day 13. I like the shape. I like a lot of things about it. Here is our other potential, was right here. Day 8. I don't like that butt end. See how it's like kind of falling in a little? I don't like that shape. So that was one deciding factor. I really wanted that one. I left it for now, just in case anything bad happens, but I don't expect anything bad to happen to this one. Further on the main vine, this one was pollinated in 100-degree heat. Probably not gonna take. That was like 3 days ago. Pollinated this guy this morning. Left it open for the bees. At this point, I really don't think I'm gonna need it, but I'm leaving it on for now. This would be 20 feet out probably. Let's take a look at that flower. As you can see there, it looks pretty good. There goes a bee going in. That's okay. Open pollination. We're not probably gonna keep this flower, but take a look at that. Pretty cool. We pollinated with like 5 males. So we're gonna leave that on just in case. And then we have another potential right here in the tip, but it's already July 5th. So that was my real big dilemma, is that one was a bad shape. That one was 100-degree heat. This one was today on July 5th. And that one's gonna be July 7th. Unfortunately, but fortunately, we have a set. Let me know if you guys agree here, what I'm doing. Here's the overall look. I mean, it's growing very fast. I'm gonna train these secondaries out, fill in this remaining area, try to swoop these in the back, fill in this whole area. Maybe if I get some tertiaries, which I probably won't, fill in this area. Plant, it's okay. I mean, not huge, but comments below. What are you thinking for final weight on this guy? Goal's 1,200 pounds. Think we can get there? We have 14 good secondaries behind this pumpkin. And we got some main after the pumpkin. We got a couple secondaries coming out here. We're still burying. We're still sticking to the program. Bury that main vine. And we'll probably just loop this main vine back around and in. But let's take another one quick close up at our pumpkin. That's my fan squeaking in the background. But good looking stem. It's pretty, got some good slack in here now. Got those tap roots loosened up. We'll get some sand for it. We'll make a bed for it. But the goal is 1,200 pounds. Stick around. See if we can get there. Until next time, growing big.